Hello friends, welcome back to Purag Recipes. You might eat pongal with coconut chutney or even with sambar. If you didn't try having pongal with our besan chutney or few call it as Bombay chutney, here is the video, you can check it out. Today's recipe is my all-time favorite side dish for my pongal. That's besan chutney. Few call it as Bombay chutney, as you know. Let's quickly check out the ingredients on screen and keep it ready with you. This chutney tastes great with different varieties of pongal like oats pongal or even rice pongal as well. So let's get started. In a hot pan, add 2 to 3 spoons of oil. If you like, you can add quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, and also add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 dried red chili, and give a quick stir and roast it until nice golden in color. And also add half teaspoon of hing, 5 to 6 green chilies finely chopped, and also add 1 inch of grated ginger and give a quick stir, and also add a string of curry leaves and fry it. Now in a bowl of hot water, add 2 to 3 inches of tamarind and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it is cooled, extract the tamarind juice from it. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and give a quick mix. Now in a cup of water, add 1 spoon of besan and give a quick mix without any lumps. Now slowly add the besan mixture into our boiling tamarind juice. Make sure the flame is low, otherwise you will get lumps of besan. And break the lumps if any. And also add prepared seasoning into our besan mixture. Now add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and give a quick mix. Now add handful of coriander leaves finely chopped and give a quick mix and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes until it is slightly thick. Once you reach the desired consistency, switch off the flame. Here is our spicy and tangy besan chutney is ready to go with our pongal. On top of the hot pongal, you can serve this tangy and spicy chutney. If you didn't check out my oats pongal and rice pongal recipes, then do check it out quickly and just do it. And let me know in comment section how much you liked it. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.